Hi, I'm here to help you figure out how to fix the humming noise refrigerator. And then you'll be like, wow, my refrigerator is making more noise than usual. Well, you got to go to the back of the refrigerator and open the spot where the cooling agents, the compressor is located, and the fan. This noise is usually coming from the fan, and it needs cleaning up. I'll show you in a minute how much lint and dust accumulated in there. We'll see afterwards. I'm gonna have to open it in a second. There's like 4 screws. Actually, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, something like that. 8 screws. So here, after I remove the cover, I'm just gonna let the electrical outlet on, the power on, just to show you the sound where it's coming from. Otherwise, it's always recommended to turn off any electrical. See this fan right here? See all the dusty lints and stuff? See that? That's where the sound coming from. So we'll see after we clean it up. You hear the sound? After we clean it up, we'll see what happened. I'm just gonna get a brush and clean it all around and record to see what happened afterwards. Yeah, so now I'm gonna turn off my power, unplug it, and I'm gonna do the cleaning. So basically what I'm gonna use is just a grease remover, because when you're in the kitchen, usually sometimes you're cooking and a little bit of the, it's been here for about maybe 2 or 3 years. I mean, of course anything could accumulates where the fan's actually sucking air inside. Right, so I'm gonna use this and just a paper towel to clean it up and see what happens. Okay, now that it's clean, we have to wait for the just clean a little everywhere almost. See all that lints and stuff coming out, but mainly it's grease. We have to wait until the fan starts again, because what happens is when you plug the refrigerator again, it needs time for compressor to heat up, so it cools it down. The fan only works when the compressor needs a little cooling, so we have to wait until it starts again to hear the sound. But in the meantime, it's not gonna move, so we'll have to wait. Okay, so here, if you want the refrigerator to start again faster, so you just reduce the temperature a little more until it starts, to see if it works. Everything is well. You can put back the temperature to where you want it. It's just a faster way to make the fridge start again. Okay, now I'm back to this, and the fan is running again, and I don't really hear anything anymore except normal fan noise, fan air noise, which is normal. That humming noise is gone. And recommendation is to clean this every year. So whether it's something new or old, you have to clean it every year. Maximum 2 years, otherwise it's going to accumulate. The fan breaks, everything else start breaking after that. Thank you for watching, and I hope this was helpful. And yes, this was it for the humming noise. Bye.